Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use less your phone. Let's begin by understanding your current habits. Take a moment to review your screen time data, often found in your phone's settings. This will give you a baseline. Then, set realistic goals, perhaps aiming to reduce daily usage by 30 minutes initially. Identifying what prompts you to pick up your phone, like boredom or stress, is also a crucial first step. Now, let's dive into practical strategies. A major step is to disable notifications for apps that aren't critical. This can cut down interruptions by as much as 50%. Designate specific times or places, like dinner or the bedroom, as phone-free zones. Instead of scrolling, try reading a physical book, going for a 20-minute walk, or engaging in a hobby that doesn't involve a screen. Your phone settings offer powerful tools for reducing usage. Switching to grayscale mode can make your screen less visually stimulating, potentially decreasing your engagement by 25%. Reorganize your home screen to place frequently used, productive apps front and center, moving social media into folders. Implement app limits, perhaps allowing only 30 minutes per day for your most time-consuming applications. Finally, let's focus on long-term success. Practicing mindfulness can help you recognize when you're reaching for your phone out of habit, not necessity. Actively seek out real-world interactions and hobbies. Aim for at least 1 hour of screen-free social time daily. Remember, reducing phone use is a gradual process. Celebrate small victories and be kind to yourself if you slip up. Consistency over time is key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.